Okay, it's Chinese New Year, right, me love? And we're gonna go out and eat. Eat. We will go out and eat, right? Yeah. What do you want to eat? Sabaw again?
Sakto lang, pagpunta natin doon, alas 9 na.
Oo. Okay, guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa Golden Fortune. Dahil Chinese New Year ngayon. I mean, New Year's Eve. Chinese New Year's Eve. So, kumbaga 31. December 31 ngayon sa Chinese. And then tomorrow is January 1 na sa Chinese. So, Nathan is wearing red. Baby Castro is wearing red. Wow, 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 you're so strong. No, Nathan, don't do that.
Now you're singing my song daw. Tapos sabay suntok.
Oh, no.
Where are you going? You're bucket. Are you excited?
Yeah, I said it.
Okay, we will go now. Let's turn off the lights and then... Yes. We're going out.
Sara, yung mga bintana, baka may
Oh no, it's dark. Oh no.
yung sa kwarto.
Sige muna. Yan muna guys. Later again. Ayan, magwa-walkathon lang kami papunta doon sa Golden Fortune kasi sobrang daming tao. Mas mabilis pa ang maglakad kaysa sumakay. Okay, say bye-bye again. Say bye-bye, Nathan. Oh no, you're so cute naman. You're so cute, me love. Okay, bye. Mamaya ulit. Hurry up. Hurry up.
You're so slow.
Sige. Bye.